The process starts with looms spinning tiny cotton fibers tightly onto drums. The technician adds a latex-based resin as the drum heats and cures the fabric. A dye added to the resin determines final color. A groove in the drum guides a blade through the fabric at the correct angle and width to make sheets of casing. The material is collected on a roll and moved down the line. From the textile room, the casing is unrolled onto a drum, one layer in one direction, a second layer in the opposite direction. The fabric threads cross at the optimum angle for flexibility and strength. Extra care is taken to ensure there is no under or overlap, which could cause uneven curing or weak spots in the finished product. The fabric is then taken to a cutter, which cuts the loop into appropriate widths for the specified product. A ribbon of silk-like material is stitched to one end. Then the tube is inserted. The ribbon holds the tube away from the needle during the sewing process, then offers further protection to the tube throughout the life of the product. The other side of the ribbon is stitched to the other end of the casing, enclosing the tube. A special sewing machine then closes the casing without creating a bulky seam area. A precise number of stitches are used to close the inside of the tubular. One stitch too many or too few could result in an uneven or imbalanced finished product. The product is then inverted and stretched around the rim. The outside of the casing is coated in a protective latex blend, providing an element-resistant barrier. After ample drying time, a technician ensures proper alignment, brushes on a special glue, then applies the base tape, making sure alignment is maintained. A drum applies pressure to the base tape, ensuring proper adhesion. Some time is allowed for the base tape to dry before the tubular is removed, inverted, and mounted on a standard-sized rim featuring a special alignment groove. A technician preps the surface of the casing with a special glue that is allowed to partially dry before the tread is adhered. While the casing has gone through construction, layers of rubber and puncture-resistant belting are inserted into a press in the vulcanization room. The press heats the material while pressing outward against a textured plate, a negative of the predetermined tread pattern. The press opens and the tread cools, making it ready for lamination. Back in the assembly line, the case and tread are brought together. The rim is clamped in a machine, while a technician uses an alignment wheel to place the tread perfectly in the center of the tubular. The alignment wheel is retracted, while mechanical wheels apply pressure and round out the tread, ensuring even adhesion across the surface. Each handmade tubular goes through final quality control, where technicians scrutinize every aspect of the manufacturing process. The result is a flawless finished product that can withstand the rigors and abuse of the pro peloton.